excuse me, no, or Serval. Serval. Okay, ready? Big jump. 1, 2, 3. That's hard. Wow, look at him go.
Gravity works. Gravity works.
The speed, the agility, the grace, the gravity. Okay, one more. Let's try this one more. Oh, let's do it over here. Right? Start there. So the people on this side can see what a great jumper you are. Look, big, meaty piece. You like this? Ready? 1. On the same part. Excuse me. Blue. Right. Okay. 1, 2. Got the foot ready? 3. Right. Alrighty. There you have it. Do you have a treat? Okay, wait, no, not on the table yet. You can get this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It's an injured bird. It can hardly fly. Look, it's having trouble. It's a cowbird. Nice one. See how he caught that bird? Look, it's another injured bird. This is a smaller one. Oh, he's small. Oh, it fell right out of the air. It was so scary. How about one more giant leap for Serval?
Does that hurt when he's swamping you like that?
No, because he doesn't get the treats if he uses the claws. Nice catch. Pretty good for a 12-year-old man. I know. You make a voice? Yeah. Hi, good boy. Hi. Look, I still have my face. Lucky me. You want to come up on the table now? You've been wanting to come up on the table where the meat is. What a good boy. There's more. I'm not going to take it. So, his name is Husani. He's 12 years old. I got him when he was 2 weeks old. He actually was born with metabolic bone disease. His mom was not fed really well when she was pregnant with him, and so when he was, no, it's mine. Expensive paperwork, not yours. You know you want it. No. Can you sit down? Can you